This compact ROVSUN portable washer handles a generous 25-pound load, so it works surprisingly well for small households or apartment living without taking over the room. The fully automatic design lets you wash and spin in the same stainless steel drum, so you can move from dirty to nearly dry laundry with very little hands-on effort. Its patterned inner tub is gentle on fabrics while still scrubbing away everyday grime, and the air dry feature helps clothes come out fresher than a basic washer can manage. With 10 wash programs and several water level choices, it adapts easily to everything from bulky towels to delicate items without you needing a separate machine. The clear control panel, child lock, and adjustable feet make it straightforward and safe to operate, even on slightly uneven floors or in busy shared spaces. Because of its relatively small footprint and included drain pump and hose, it fits neatly into tight corners in dorms, rentals, or compact homes where a full-size setup is not practical.